this is how you attach a sleeve in sewing. I have my sleeve built out, ta-da, and here is the body of my sweatshirt. Turn it right side so you guys can see it. Okay, we've got one sleeve attached. Gonna attach this sleeve. Your first step with the body is to go inside out. You keep your sleeve right side out, and you want to, this is the highest point on my sleeve. That's going to be the shoulder. So I want it to match the highest point here. I'm going to put it in this hole. And then I'm going to match it up in here. I like to pin the bottom first because that's where like two actual seams meet, and I know that's the dead middle. So pin that, and then I want to pin the top. Here we go. And the edges just to make sure. I like to have the 4 spots pinned just to keep it pretty steady. So here's one here. And then on this side. Right there. All right. Now I'm going to sew all the way around this, and then I'm gonna turn it inside out, and we should have a sleeve attached. Give me a minute, Moose. All right, I sewed all the way around it. Time to flip it. Two sleeves attached.